AO स्मिथ वाटर प्यूरिफायर एक बटन के दबाने मात्र में मिनरल युक्त गर्म पानी उपलब्ध कराता है। गर्म पानी प्राप्त करने के लिए तापमान की 2 सेटिंग मौजूद हैं। बटन को बस थोड़ी देर दबाकर पीने के लिए 45 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक का गर्म पानी प्राप्त किया जा सकता है। बटन डिस्प्ले दबाते ही कमरे के तापमान से 45 डिग्री सेल्सियस में परिवर्तित कर देता है। इसके बाद चाइल्ड लॉक को अनलॉक करके और लीवर को दबाकर 45 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक का गर्म पानी निकाला जा सकता है। बटन को थोड़ी देर तक दबाकर खाना पकाने के लिए 80 डिग्री सेल्सियस का गर्म पानी प्राप्त किया जा सकता है। पानी को गर्म होने में कुछ ही मिनट लगते हैं और एक बार जब यह तैयार हो जाता है तो डिस्प्ले पर तापमान बदलकर 80 डिग्री सेल्सियस हो जाता है। इसके बाद गर्म पानी सामान्य तरीके से निकाला जा सकता है। गर्म पानी 800 मिलीलीटर की स्टील की टंकी में एकत्रित होता है। शुद्धिकरण स्टेज के दौरान ही AO स्मिथ का मिनटेक फिल्टर प्राकृतिक रूप से पानी में अनिवार्य मिनरल जैसे कि कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम को मिला देता है। यह सुनिश्चित करता है कि गर्म पानी में भी मिनरल उपस्थित हों। गर्म पानी की यह सुविधा दैनिक उपयोगों जैसे कि खाना पकाने, सूप बनाने से लेकर एक प्याली कॉफी या ग्रीन चाय बनाने जैसे कार्यों में भी कारगर है। AO स्मिथ वाटर प्यूरिफायर एक बटन दबाने मात्र से मिनरल युक्त गर्म पानी मुहैया कराता है।
Presenting AquaSure Delight RO+UV+MTDS water purifier from Aquaguard. AquaSure Delight takes pride in its multi-stage purification technology, which not just provides 100% clean but also absolutely safe and tasty drinking water. The AquaSure from Aquaguard Delight is a combination of the best-in-class water purification technologies, RO+UV+MTDS. This purifier can treat water having input TDS of up to 2000 ppm with reduction of up to 90% TDS, thereby ensuring safe and tasty drinking water always. With its advanced TDS regulator, consumers can easily adjust the taste of water as per the water source, ensuring that the consumer gets sweet-tasting water. This purifier comes with a 6000 liters cartridge life to ensure long-lasting and hassle-free access to safe drinking water. Its user-friendly functionalities such as power on, purification, and tank full indicators smartly update you on the current status of your machine. This AquaSure from Aquaguard Purifier also comes with a large storage tank of 7 liters that ensures that you never run out of safe drinking water. Not only does this machine purify the water your family consumes, but also does its bit for the environment all around. The energy-saving mode automatically turns off power once its tank is full, thus saves on electricity bill. This modern water purifier is installation friendly. It can be easily placed on kitchen countertop or wall-mounted above sink. This totally blends as per the requirement of the urban home. This product comes with 1-year brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods.
Presenting the Kent Supreme Lite water purifier that is best suited for domestic purposes and ideal for purification of salt, tap and municipal corporation water supply. This wall-mountable purifier is available in the color white. Kent's mineral RO technology retains essential natural minerals in purified water using a TDS control system, thereby providing pure and tasty drinking water. The multiple purification process of RO+UF removes even dissolved impurities such as chemicals, bacteria, viruses and salts, making the water pure and suitable for consumption. This purifier has a storage capacity of 8 liters that ensures supply of water even in the absence of electricity. It has a purification capacity of 20 liters per hour for quick refill of water. You can also keep track of water availability with the help of water level indicator in the storage tank. It has an auto on and auto off function which ensures that you do not run out of pure water. The Kent Supreme Light Purifier is made of ABS food grade plastic, making it corrosion free and durable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery and installation, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery.
Presenting Eureka Forbes AquaSure Smart Plus Water Purifier in black color. Powered by the universal RO+UV+MTDS technology, the purifier treats water from different sources like taps, borewell and tanker. It has a 6-stage filtration process to provide you with safe drinking water every day. It comes with 6-liter storage tank with a water level indicator to ensure availability of purified water. The water purifier comes with a smart TDS regulator that reduces total dissolved salts up to 90%, ensuring safe and tasty drinking water. AquaSure Smart Plus has a compact design and comes with smart LED indicators. It also comes with a sensor that helps save energy by automatically powering off once the tank is full. The inbuilt voltage regulator protects your purifier from damage in case of voltage fluctuations. It comes with 6,000 liters cartridge life, giving your family hassle-free protection for a long time. Inside the box you will find water purifier, clarity cartridge, installation kit and user manual. This product comes with 1-year warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery and installation, please refer to the product detail page. Prime members get free delivery.
Hindustan Unilever Limited presents Pureit Ultima RO+UV. Let's understand how the new Pureit Ultima RO+UV works. It has 6 stages of purification. Let's understand all the stages one by one. Stage 1. Pre-sediment filter. It removes fine and coarse particulate impurities and dirt and improves the life of the pre-RO carbon filter. Stage 2. Pre-RO carbon filter. It removes chlorine and organic impurities like harmful pesticides. It also absorbs bad taste and odor-causing organic compounds from water. Stage 3. Post-carbon sediment filter. It removes remaining fine and coarse particulate impurities or dirt and improves the life of the RO membrane. Stage 4. RO membrane. It removes dissolved salts, hardness, pesticides, and heavy metals like arsenic, lead, and mercury. It also removes microbial contaminants like bacteria, viruses, protozoa, and cysts. After this, the water passes through a TDS modulator that adds adequate quantities of essential minerals to enhance the taste of the water. Stage 5. UV Reactor. It acts as an additional stage of purification to further inactivate bacteria, virus, and parasites to deliver safe water. Stage 6. Post-RO carbon filter. This is the last level of purification, which acts as a polisher and further enhances the taste of water. New Pureit Ultima RO+UV. With its advanced 6-stage RO+UV purification technology, gives you completely safe, soft and sweet drinking water always.